Friends, welcome to Revolution in Education. Today we are going to learn The Thief's Story. It's written by Ruskin Bond. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. Anil said, I get a zero, but I can call it my own zero. I do not want to score a single mark. Unearned cheating in exam is for coward. Not me. These words were a turning point in Hari Singh's life. He gave up cheating forever. He worked hard for what he desired and never ever used false measures to acquire anything. In the story, author narrates himself as a thief Hari Singh. Hari's vices: opportunist, deceitful, liar, robber. Anil's virtues: kind-hearted, compassionate, forgiving, helpful. The narrator, who is a thief, meets Anil, a simple, kind, and compassionate struggling writer. The thief earns Anil's trust and becomes a friend with him, eventually landing up into his home as a cook. The narrator's intention obviously is to rob Anil and flee. However, he cannot cook, so Anil teaches him to cook, right, and feed him without salary. As the saying goes, old habit dies hard. The thief makes small profit by cheating Anil while shopping for daily supplies for him. One night, the thief finally decides to rob Anil of his money and escape. Although he is successful in stealing money, he can't really bring himself to escape, as his conscience brings him and he feels guilty of robbing a trusting man like Anil. He returns and keeps the notes, which are damp due to the rain, back in its place. The next morning, Anil pays the thief some money and promises to pay him regularly, and also teaches him to write sentence. Along with thief, we are moved by Anil's kind and compassionate gesture of not getting the thief arrested, although he had a hint of the event of the previous night. Let's first I tell you the story in short form. The narrator, who is a thief, अनिल को मिलता है. अनिल बहुत सिंपल, काइंड और स्ट्रगलिंग राइटर है. नरेटर अनिल का विश्वास जीत लेता है, लेकिन उसकी इच्छा तो अनिल को लूटने की ही है. वो अनिल को अपना नाम हरि सिंह बताता है. वह अपने आप को कुक बताकर अनिल के घर चला जाता है, लेकिन उसे खाना बनाना नहीं आता. तो अनिल ही उसे खाना बनाना, पढ़ना लिखना सिखाता है. चोर चोरी से जाए पर सीना चोरी से न जाए. हरि सिंह मार्केटिंग के पैसों से भी कुछ पैसे बचाकर अपने पास रख लेता. कुछ दिनों के बाद हरि सिंह अनिल को लूटने का प्लान बना लेता है. एक रात हरि सिंह 600 रुपया चोरी करके भाग जाता है, लेकिन अनिल की अच्छाइयों से उसके मन में परिवर्तन आ जाता है और वह उसी रात वापस बारिश की वजह से भीगे नोट रख कर सो जाता है. सुबह अनिल उसे 50 रुपए देकर रेगुलर पे करने का और पढ़ना लिखना भी सिखाने का वादा करता है. अनिल को सब कुछ पता होने पे भी कुछ भी एक्शन न लेने से हरि सिंह को बहुत अफसोस होता है और उसका हृदय परिवर्तन होता है. इस कहानी से हमें यह संदेश मिलती है कि प्रेम, दया और माफी से किसका भी हृदय परिवर्तन हो सकता है. The story successfully establishes the fact that love, compassion, and kindness have the potency to turn Thief's life around and reform him. Why did Anil employ Hari as a cook? Although he could not afford to pay him. Although Anil could not afford to pay Hari, he employed him as a cook, as he must have thought that Hari is a needy person. Moreover, he was planning to pay Hari in kind by teaching him to cook, write his name, add number, and write whole sentences. What did Hari learn from Anil in the beginning? Hari learned to cook and write his name from Anil in the beginning. Why didn't Anil hand over Hari to the police? What effect would it have on Hari? Anil did not hand Hari over to the police because that would result in Hari transforming into a criminal from a small time thief. Besides, it would have left a permanent scar on Hari's mind at the tender age. Moreover, Anil decided to be a different and reform Hari through kindness and sympathy. By forgiving him, Hari had also chosen to return the money by coming back, although he could have easily fled. Do you feel Anil's way of handling a thief like Hari was effective? Justify your answer. Yes, I think Anil's decision of not handing over the thief to the police was right because the thief had already had a change of mind, which was evident from his act of returning and putting the money back in its place. Anil, through his kindness and trusting nature, had kindled in the thief the desire to love a life respect. If he would have got thief arrested, it would have destroyed the thief's newly found faith in humanity, and he would have returned to his old immoral ways. What tech had Anil used to change Hari's dishonest way? Anil started teaching Hari to write his name and promised to teach him to write whole sentences and add numbers. This ushered a new hope in Hari that one day he would be able to earn more than what he did by robbing. He also decided to pay Hari for cooking as soon as he was able to. He did this so that he didn't have to steal money, and above all he blindly trusted Hari, which made it difficult for Hari to rob him and run away. And the smile came by itself without any effort. Say why? When do people give fake smile? The smile came by itself because Hari realized that although Anil knew the truth, he had forgiven him and it was a load off his mind. He also knew that Anil was going to teach him to write whole sentences so that he could earn more and give up his dishonest way. And that was the reason he had returned to Anil in the first place. People give fake smile either to impress other or to hide their truth emotions. Friends, in next episode we will explain the next chapter. Friends, do not forget to like, subscribe, share and press bell icon so you can know our all updates. Thank you.